Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. Today I'm going to be talking about the errors that I found on the code. Okay, first of all I'm gonna copy paste the code and let's make sure. Okay, this is the code. So basically the problem with this code is the first problem will be the curly braces. So here it has to be a curly braces. And the second problem would be public static has to be void right here. And we have main, then string, and we have to add these two brackets. Then everything here is good. Okay, let's go to the other problem. So we have system.out println hello world. Hello world, it's a string, so it has to be in between the quotation marks. Okay, and then let's jump to the other problem. We have system here in lowercase. Let's put s as in uppercase. So now we have system.out print. There is println here in uppercase with p. That one has to be in lowercase. And then we have, do you like this program? Okay, as you can see, we have the quotation mark. It's not under the string. The program will think that this is a variable. So if we're gonna add a plus here, but this is all a string. So quotation mark will be ended here. So far, so good. Okay, so now we have system.out println with a quotation, without a semicolon. So we have to add a semicolon here. Okay. Another problem here, we have system dots. So we need to add out here dot println. I wrote it myself, and as we can see, we have the open bracket and we don't have the closing bracket, so we have to add it. Okay. Now let's check on the opening curly braces. So we have, this is the first opening, which would be that one as the last one, and we have 1, 2. This is an opening, so this one has to be closing, and I think everything is good. This is the 11 errors that I found for this program. Let's compile it and run it and see if it's gonna work. Oops. Alright, this is the class tricky. Okay, let's run it. Here you go. Hello world, do you like this program? I wrote it myself. Well, it should be like a duplicate here because I already run it when I tested before I start recording the video. Okay, so this is what's the output of the code. Well, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have a great day.